it seems like every time I make one of these syrups, I get better and better. I mean, this Demerara Orgeat is no different. I mean, this stuff is great. I've been trying all sorts of different drinks. It's great. I even put it in my evening coffee. It's excellent. I'm going to have to make more of this very soon because look at that, I haven't got anything left to it. Check it out. Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All at the Cocktail. So, I want to make a Mai Tai, and I have no or-Zhat. I looked around, all I could find was this Harani almond syrup. But I'm going to make some Demerara Orgeat, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to use the Demerara sugar, Demerara cane sugar. I like mine 1-to-1. So, I'm going to use a little bit of that. I'm getting it on the stove. I'll get some water boiling, and I'll show you just how I made it. I probably should show you one of these days. Show the coolest fridge. No more putting pictures with magnets on the fridge. No, you can get it right there in your fridge. I'm going to get to it, and I'll get to put it on the stove. Get to it, Ray. So I got 1 cup of my soy almond milk in there. I'm going to put that over medium heat. And to that, I'm going to add, this is 1 cup of Demerara sugar and a ½ cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add it slowly, little by little, till all the sugar dissolves. Once all the sugar dissolved, it takes like 3 to 5 minutes. Once all the sugar dissolved, we're going to actually remove it from our heat. And to that, we're just going to add a little bit of almond extract. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And to that, we're just going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon. Actually, we're going to add one half of a teaspoon. To that, we're going to add 1/2 a teaspoon of orange blossom water. Okay, now I know I did this video once before. I'm going to make it special. I'm going to make it a little bit special too. So now what you can do is you can use brandy, make it last longer. You can use a little bit of neutral spirit like brandy or something like that. I'm going to use this excellent cognac that I got, Pierre Ferrand cognac. Ooh, this stuff is good. So you can put up to an ounce of that in there. It's about 3/4. I took a sip off there, but okay. So let's make up that part I drank. Let's pour just a little more in there, make it a full ounce. Give that a stir. Now what you want to do is you want to let this cool, and then you can store it. Then you can store it in an airtight thing. I got my squeeze bottle. I'm gonna get some ones with resealable tops. Demerara Orgeat is a little more richer than regular Orgeat, and I happen to like it. I like it in a lot of different drinks too. So check this out. This is so easy to make. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like this, and definitely shoot me back a comment. Let me know. Do you make your own Orgeat? Do you buy store-bought? You just remember, the sun's going down, you're having a Mai Tai, and you're thinking to yourself, Ray was right, man. It's all about the cocktail. Catch you just in time for the next round. See you later.